Kicked off my shoes, dashed it in the rain.
Hi everybody, my name is Natalie and welcome to my channel. Today I'm so excited to film this video because we are filming, this type of video where I will show you my go-to summer outfits. I know, very exciting. But yeah, I just really like watching these type of videos, so I was like, you know what, why not try it myself? I know I'm super late to this trend, like everybody's been filming these type of videos like 2 or 3 months ago now, but yeah, I just didn't get the chance to film this video before, so here I am now. Even though summer started like a month ago, I feel like I still didn't get the chance to wear my like summer go-to outfits because here in Czech Republic it's been like very rainy. We had like couple hot days, but other than that it's been like cloudy, so it's not that hot. However, in less than a week I'm actually leaving to Italy and I'm so fucking excited. But yeah, as you know, it gets crazy hot in Italy, so I think that's gonna be like my time to shine. So I think that now it's like the perfect time to film this video because I can actually plan the outfits that I'm gonna be taking with me to Italy. Anyways, let's jump right into the video and I will like talk you through the process.
Okay, so this is the first outfit. I feel like this look just screams Italy or like Mediterranean summer. I don't know why. I basically just paired this like very silky and very short slip dress with this shirt that gives me slight cottagecore vibes, especially paired with the hat. I wore it with my chunky white flip-flops and this like beaded bag. And yeah, I kind of picture myself wearing this look while walking through the streets of Rome or all the other Italian cities. So yeah, this next outfit is very casual and kind of laid back. As you can see, I'm just wearing a very simple midi dress, even though this is like my favorite midi dress that I own because it's like this beige color with these like super cute light blue flowers. I kind of picture myself wearing this outfit in the morning when my boyfriend is still gonna be sleeping and I'm just gonna run out of our hotel to get us some, espresso and croissant, even though croissant is French, I know, but like, some Italian breakfast. This is kind of like the outfit situation that I picture myself wearing. I know it's probably weird, but yeah, that's yeah. Okay, moving on. This is the next outfit. I feel like I look like such a lady in this outfit. I love the combination of the yellow and white, especially like the yellow scarf in my hair. I feel like it makes my hair looks 10 times better, and it's just like a very subtle detail that makes the outfit like 10 times better, I feel like. I think I'm gonna wear this like to lunch or I don't know, again, while I'm gonna be walking the streets of Italy. I'm not sure when I'm gonna wear this outfit, but I feel like it's an outfit for every single type of situation. This outfit, I love this outfit. This dress is actually after my mom. She wore it to her like wedding after party. I'm not wearing a bra with this, but it just makes my boobs and my whole posture, I feel like, look very good. I just paired it with these like strappy heels and this beautiful hat. And again, I feel like this outfit just screams like summer in Europe. I don't know. This outfit, as you can see, is a little bit different than the rest of the outfits because, as you can see, I'm wearing pants, plus I'm wearing all black, which I don't think really suits the European summer vibe situation, but I still think I look super cool and chic. I feel like I would wear this outfit to like a dinner date because I'm wearing pants, so it's perfect if it would get a little bit chilly. But yeah, anyways, let's move on to the next outfit. And another white and yellow outfit. I usually never wear yellow, so I don't know what I was like doing in this video, but I actually really like it. I'm wearing this like midi dress that I actually never wore. My boyfriend got this for me, and yeah, I feel like it's just like a perfect item for like a European summer. And again, I paired it with like the yellow scarf in my hair and just a simple sheer white shirt. And yeah, again, like a casual day outfit, perfect for every type of situation, I feel like. This next dress, this actually isn't a dress. As you can see, it's very short on me. It's actually a t-shirt that I stole from my mom. But yeah, it was like very long on me, so I kind of like made it into a mini dress. The thing that I really like about this dress is that you can first wear it with the sleeves and like a belt, or you can take the sleeves off and you can like wrap them around yourself, which cinches in your waist, and you're left with this like very sexy spaghetti strap mini dress, which yeah, is very sexy. Okay, this next dress is so beautiful. I actually thrifted this in Budapest, I think, last summer. It's actually a nightgown, but you know, I'm gonna wear it as a maxi dress because why not? And yeah, I picture myself wearing this dress definitely to the beach. I just picture myself like running on the beach in the waves. I don't know. So yeah, hopefully that will happen. But yeah, anyways, let's move on to the next outfit. In this outfit, I'm wearing these pants that I actually altered in my last video, and I'm wearing them with this like very, very cute floral of the shoulder top, which kind of again gives me like cottagecore vibes, even though not really. Yeah, not really. I hope I'm gonna be able to wear this outfit because, as I said, it gets very hot in Italy and I'm wearing pants, so hopefully I won't overheat. But yeah. Okay, this next dress, it's not really a dress, or I mean, it is a dress, but it's a sheer dress, so I'm just gonna wear it to the beach because if I would wear it to, you know, the city, everybody could see my underwear, obviously. So I'm gonna wear it as I'm wearing it here with just some plain bikini under it, and my chunky white flip-flops again, and then this like white hat and my white bag, and yeah, that's my beach cover-up situation. Okay, again, another one of my casual daytime looks. My 501s Levi's jeans with some chunky white Converse, this like tank top and a baby bag. I also put on these like Hello Kitty clips because I just wanted to spice it up a little bit more. I feel like this is just a day-to-day outfit, perfect for running errands. So yeah. Okay, this outfit is very extra. I know, like I feel like I literally look like a porcelain doll. This dress was actually made by my sister. She did such a great job. I had to like cinch it in the back a little bit more, but other than that, I feel like it looks so good. I paired it with this hat and my chunky white flip-flops again. I feel like this outfit would look very good while visiting the Italian countryside, so I feel like I'm gonna wear this in the countryside. So yeah. Okay, this next outfit, I'm actually wearing a Burberry shirt. As you can see like the Burberry pattern on the sleeves. I just paired it with this like simple black mini skirt, my black Converse, and this black bag. And yeah, I feel like you can't really go wrong with a black mini skirt and some black Converse. So yeah. And another nightgown. This nightgown is actually my mom's, and it's not as long as like the white one that I was wearing before. I actually wore this look on my Instagram. Here are the pictures. I feel like they turned out really great. I paired the dress with this butterfly belt that is actually also my mom's, and these white strappy heels that are, surprise surprise, also my mom's. So yeah, basically this whole outfit is out of my mom's closet. But I feel like this would be a great outfit for like a dinner date. So yeah. This outfit is my go-to beach outfit. I actually found this like beach cover-up in my mom's closet yet again. Like literally everything that I'm wearing in this video is from my mom's closet. But yeah, how cute is this? It's like a sheer wrap around top. It looks very nice. I know that it's very short, but as I'm saying, I'm wearing it as a beach cover up. So yeah, again, my chunky white flip-flops and this beaded bag. And yeah, I feel like I'm gonna be wearing this most of the time during the summer. Okay, this outfit just gives me Sex and the City vibes. When I was wearing this, I felt like Samantha or Carrie. I don't know. I feel like everyone of the cast would wear this dress because it's like the perfect little black dress. You can't go wrong with that. It's strapless, so it looks very sexy, but it's not that short, so that gives it a little bit more class. I paired it with my strappy snakeskin heels and my snakeskin bag. I feel like I look very elegant in this, and I would definitely wear it for like a dinner date. Okay, then this next outfit again is like my go-to casual look. I again posted this on my Instagram already. It just wouldn't be me if I didn't include a summer look with a scarf. So here you go. This is one of my favorite scarves that I own. I always wear it like this, just as a like wraparound top. I feel like the beige pants go with it the best. I just love this outfit. There's nothing more I can say about it. Alright, can we get a moment of silence for this dress? Like, look at that. Surprise, surprise, it's from my mom's closet, okay? Don't judge me. It's either from silk or satin, I'm not sure, but it's so comfortable. And then the best part about it is the back, because the back is cut into this like V-cut. I can't really wear my underwear with this because it is cut so low that if I'm wearing my undies, you can see them. So yeah, that's probably kind of TMI, but you know, I'm trying to be honest. I'm absolutely in love with this skirt set. I actually made this in my last video and I was surprised how easy it was to make this, okay? So definitely make sure to go watch that video because it's worth it to try it. I just paired it with another one of my beaded bags and these chunky white flip-flops. And yeah, that's literally it. And finally, this is the last outfit, last but not least, of course. I'm just wearing this all white outfit basically, but to make it more fun, I added this like polka dot button up. The good thing about wearing all white is that you can literally pair it with anything, and every time it's gonna look different, even though you're wearing the same thing with just like a different cover up. So yeah, in case you don't have anything to wear this summer, this is the way to go.
Oh my god. We've been filming for more than 7 hours. I mean, I did eat lunch in between filming, so that's like minus an hour, but still. I think we did around 20 outfits, which is honestly pretty good. I'm pretty happy with that. So I hope I gave you some good outfit ideas. Definitely make sure to comment down below which look was your favorite. Anyways, I will let you enjoy the rest of your day. I honestly can't wait to lay in this bed for the rest of the day. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. It would make me so happy because it helps with the YouTube algorithm. It makes me more visible and helps the video to get a bigger reach. So yeah, definitely make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and also you can subscribe and follow me on my Instagram, but that's your choice. Anyways, as I said, I will let you enjoy the rest of your day and I will see you in my next video. Bye!